Happy Friday, everyone. This is Christian Nabush, licensed real estate agent with Real Broker, and I help families buy and sell homes here in the Gulf Coast communities of Pinellas County. Now, if that's of interest to you, please give me a call at 727-303-1521 or shoot me a DM at CD Selling St. Pete, and we can go over all the options available to you. I want to bring to your attention today two homes that hit the market, one in Tarpon Springs and one in St. Pete Beach, and they're both pretty interesting. The first off, in Tarpon Springs, on the bayou, on the waterfront, we have a three-bedroom, two and a half bath, 1,938 square foot property, and this one's adorable. It's got an open ground level, obviously because it's on the water, but two beautiful stories and a roof deck, so you have 360 views unobstructed of the Gulf of Mexico. This home is listed with Kim Adams of Remax Elite Realty for $1,275,000. Each of the stories has an open floor plan. It's coastal architecture, so this is definitely Florida coastal living at its finest because you have entertaining on all three levels. So obviously, you guys come in, you can tailgate on the ground floor. There's balconies on each level, and of course, there's a roof deck, just so that you can just enjoy some mimosas or some margaritas or beer, while the sun rises and the sun sets. It's an amazing opportunity, and it's great for entertaining. And there's no HOA in the community, so this is a prime opportunity for Airbnb or VRBOing. Next, in St. Pete Beach, we have a amazing property that's on the water. It's canal front. It's three bedrooms, two baths, slightly larger at 2,004 square feet, listed with Laura Marie of EXP Realty. And this home has been listed for $1,669,000. And for that, again, you're on the water, on the coastal, intercoastal. You have unobstructed access to the Gulf of Mexico because there's no bridges that you have to contend with. So there's no one, at least to get to the water, to get to the Gulf, that you have to call to raise a drawbridge. And you have an open floor plan. You have a nice one-story Florida bungalow that's been renovated on the inside. So you have stone countertops, an island, and you have great entertaining for the front and the backyard. If these homes or any other in the area of interest to you, or you just want to find out what's on the market, give me a call at 727-303-1521 or shoot me a DM on my Instagram or TikTok at CD Selling St. Pete. And I'll talk to you later.